What you're going to have to do to re-add ublock origin is, because, you know, obviously Chrome deleted it, is go to the website, ublock origin, then you're going to have to click on the grey box, right click it, inspect, then you're going to go over, edit it as HTML, then you're going to have to find it disabled, change it to enabled, click off and add it, and it should work perfectly fine. Yeah, hope this helped.
It was a technological breakthrough. Anybody could. Every year, tech companies come. It was a technological breakthrough. Anybody could create an app and sell it to the average consumer. Sure, some developers made points.
Gather around, everyone, because today I'm going to share a little story of mine.
What do you get when you
I still remember being a toddler.
onyourcall.co.uk, an easy way to call anywhere in India, Pakistan and Bangladesh by dialing 0844 731 0044 for only 4 pence per minute. Don't forget.
So not only did this video spiral into multiple cease and desist letters, but I argue.
Yo.
Hey guy, want to start